Good afternoon, everybody. Con here with Techout. Today I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and download the iOS 12 beta now for your iPhone, iPad, and this also works for other betas like macOS and such. So what you're going to want to do is I'm going to leave this link to the website down in the description. You're going to want to navigate over to that website, preferably on your device that you're downloading the beta on. It will be a lot easier. And for iOS, you're going to download the iOS beta profile. So if I didn't already have it, I would hit allow. I'm going to hit ignore. When you hit allow, a pop-up will come up and ask you if you want to install that profile on your iPhone. If you're doing this profile for the Apple Watch, you'll want to choose Apple Watch for your install location. So if you want to do Watch OS 5, you would just choose Apple Watch. It's not available yet, but that one is coming soon. So once you hit download and your profile pops up, it will come up and it will come up into the profile section of your iPhone. As you can see, I already have it there. So we have the iOS 12 beta software profile. You're going to have to restart your device. Once you install the profile, it'll prompt you to do that. Go ahead and hit restart. Once your device turns back on, you're just going to navigate over to General and Software Update and give it a second and it will check for updates, and you should see an iOS 12 update for beta 1, and this will give you OTA updates for beta 2 and so on and so forth as the beta program progresses. So having that profile installed will allow you to receive further or future updates. Keep in mind, this is at your own risk. There may be bugs, there may be battery life issues, and things that impact the performance and usability of your device and further betas down the road. So this is at your own risk. You can go back to the latest public release, but that does require you to wipe your data, and you cannot restore from a backup on a newer OS version. So if you back up in iOS 12 beta 1 and you want to go back to 11.3.1 or 11.3.4, sorry, you cannot restore from that iOS 12 backup. So you need to make sure you keep an iOS 11 backup somewhere, that when you use automatic backup in iOS 12, you still have that iOS 11 backup if you need to go back. So far, iOS 12 has been very stable. I can't say I recommend you trying it out on your regular device, but if you have an older device or something laying around that you don't use too frequently, or you have an extra phone or something like that, I would definitely go ahead and try it out on that. This has been Colin with Techout. This is how to install iOS 12 Beta 1 on your device without an Apple developer account. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below.